This is page 11 in the blue book. The song is The Year 1620. Now this song here, once we play it, I think you'll recognize it. It's actually a song that I know that we sing around Thanksgiving time as we gather together. But because of copyright laws, they have to change the wording. Now the tune itself, if you read the box at the top of the page, it says it's a folk tune and nobody knows who the composer was. Now before you start, don't forget to look up the word Andante means and look up on page 48 in the back of the book and write that in. Now this song has a couple of places where the fingering is going to be a little bit tricky. So if we look at the end of the first line, where it says, the pilgrims came over the good ship Mayflower. Well, we go pilgrims, we have 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, and then we're going to put our 5, play the G with the 5 finger like we would normally would. But then if you look at the first measure of the second line, you will see that now the G is going to be played with the 1 finger. So you're going to do a 5, and then you're going to bring your thumb up and play that same note with the 1 finger, which will set up that we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right up the scale. Then we're going to go 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, like that. And then the 1 finger is going to continue along. So there was just that one little place. We play the 5 finger up at the top in the last measure of the first line, and then the same note with the 1 finger in the first measure of the second line. And then there's one other place where we do almost the same thing. If we go down to the third line in the second measure where it says Plymouth Rock, notice that we're going to go, if we stand and landed at, and it's going to be a 1 finger on land. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then mouth is going to be 1. Rock is going to be 1. And then, but in the third measure, over the word then, you'll notice that they want you to play with the 4. So once again, you play that with the 1, then bring the 4 finger, using the 4 finger, play that same G, so that you're set up to go 4, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1, 1. And the rest of it is pretty straightforward. I don't think you'll need me to give you every finger number. The left hand is going to be playing nothing difficult. Just follow the finger numbers very closely, and I think it will go very easily.